Hey guys, I'm going camping with Plumber today. So we are going out there, forest camp, because I know he's paying for all of it because it's just so expensive. So let's go.
Bro, I'm broke.
No, I'm not. Yo, which was of me? You
I have
got.
to afford the Temu version of a grappler. I'm broke.
I literally have negative subscribers, so we can't be talking. Okay, let's build the
Bro,
fire.
what is this fire?
We need to cut down a tree.
Okay, bud.
Oh, wowzers.
Haha.
Chicken!
Huh. Chicken, where?